So adding a 3D asset is easy as going to My 3D Assets, and I'm going to make this, call it 3 greenhouses. And I've got a Polycam model. Choose file, going to unzip. I'm looking for Forest City greenhouses. Download that, and then add it. So now I can add these objects to the 3D presentations. They'll show up in a form, and then you can size them and place them where you want. So as long as you have Polycam and you download the GLBs, you have to use an unzip file, an unzip folder application here. I'm using this one called Unzip. It's free. It's got a little bit of ads on it, but it's this one here, Unzip. And that's pretty much the process. And I'll make another video for adding it to the map. It will be on the desktop.